Here's a look at a one-bedroom suite at the TownePlace Suites by Marriott in Anaheim. This is an affordable extended stay hotel, so you do get a full kitchen with fridge, stove, microwave, and sink, plenty of room to cook, and plenty of room to spread out in this suite. Here's a look at the bathroom, also quite spacious. Now, this is an extended stay hotel, so it's meant to be a little larger, a little easier to live in for a longer stay. In the living room, you'll have two seating areas. First, this dining area, which is great for those longer stays where you'll be cooking and eating in the room. And then you also get a couch that is a pull-out sofa bed. So this is a great option if you're doing Disneyland with the kids and they can have their own sleeping area here in the living room. Now, this suite is on the first floor, and yes, you do have privacy curtains. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom. Again, this is a one-bedroom suite, so you do have a separate bedroom with a queen bed. In here, you will find another window with privacy curtains, and there's not a ton of space beyond the queen bed, but you do have this chest of drawers that sort of doubles as a vanity area with a mirror. One thing I personally love is the closet because the lights are automatic, so they will turn on and off when you open or close the closet. Lots of space and shelving in here, plus extra bedding, an iron and ironing board. And again, those lights will automatically shut off as you close those closet doors. That's a look at the bedroom in these suites. And now, one thing to note about TownePlace Suites by Marriott in Anaheim is that this property is less than 10 minutes from Disneyland. As you can see, it's spacious for families. Even if you need to set up a crib or pack and play, there is plenty of space for that. Breakfast is included as well, or you can cook. And if that was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.